Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this cute headband wig that changed my life. So what I'll start off by saying is I filmed a unboxing and I filmed like my first impression, but the background was really dark and then the hair is dark, so that you couldn't really see the actual hair. So if I have any of the unboxing part, I'm gonna put it in now. But if I didn't find anything, I do just wanna go over like a little bit about the wig. Here it is, this beautiful wig. Put it here. She is full, she is curly. Trying to show you, yeah, the curl pattern. So if I had to pick a pattern, I would say she's still in the type 4 area, but I would say more of like a 4A maybe. And also this is a new lens, so if you hear it, hopefully you don't, but if you do, that's what that clicking noise is. So this hair is from Supernatural Chicks, and I absolutely love their hair. Like, the hair is always soft, it always smells nice, it's always manageable, like it's always together. And I've had my curly clip-ins for, I don't even know how long it's been, maybe 3 or 4 years maybe. And when I wash them and apply product, they snap right back to normal. A lot of clip-ins I can't say the same for, and I paid a lot for those clip-ins before. I'm not gonna say no names, but they were not as good as these, so that's why I really love these. I've had the opportunity to see another brand versus this brand to compare, so I absolutely love them. All their hair comes in this cute little box, which you can always store the hair in. I'm thinking about actually like making a label, because I have a few of these now, to label like which hair it is, and then just kind of stack it up in my closet. Because I mean, they're convenient and they're stackable, so might as well. So this wig also came with a wig cap, and it seems like it has 2 in there, so I'm excited about that because I'm always losing one. And I'm pretty sure that everybody has seen this going around. This is a very, very popular type of wig right now. So it has literally a headband is attached to the hair, so as you're wearing it, it looks like this. It has 3 combs in the front, so 2 on the side and then 1 right down the middle. And then there's 1 comb in the back. And then there is a Velcro piece to the headband that you can adjust it. So this is the like adjustable part, and it's Velcro. So if your head is, you know, like a little larger, then you can do it all the way down here, or if you need to make it like a little more tight, you can do it down here. And so that is the, I guess, like the fundamentals of the actual wig itself. So I'm gonna open up one of these. So yes, it did come with 2 in there, which I'm thankful for. So like I said, I did do an unboxing portion to this video. So I have been wearing this wig. I just didn't use these specific wig caps because I wanted to save it for this video. Before I even show y'all the wig, this wig is incredible. I have literally, since I've gotten it and worn it, I've been wearing it every day since then because of just how flexible it can be. The looks are ever changing. It's super convenient. It's just like truly a throw on and go. You're not necessarily having to worry about your edges, or we'll get there, but just know you need one. So here's the wig once again. This is the part that goes in the front. So when I put on the wig, and this is just me personally, I don't like combs because I feel like they pull out my hair. Now these combs don't have like any of the ridges in there, and they don't have any bad teeth. So the teeth look like this, and they're very smooth. So I don't necessarily mind these combs, if I'm putting it, like I put it actually in a part. So you saw that I had a braid out basically going on. So I'll put it like in the section of a braid so it's not pulling on my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And so I literally throw it on, and this is it, just tossed on. So I'm going to fix the comb and just put it in this front part of my hair, but being very gentle and trying to make sure, like, if you feel it and it hurts, then it's too tight, then it's pulling. So you don't want it to do that. I don't necessarily worry about the sides, because if the front is there and the back is there, then it's secure. I'm actually gonna fix this one because it is a little tight. So if it is too tight, what you do is you put it back a little further. That way it's not so tight. I'm gonna put this up for a second so that you can see the actual Velcro part. So this is where it needs to be. And I'm gonna turn around so you can see the Velcro. Excuse my kitchen. Excuse it. So this is what it looks like here. So you're gonna take this piece of the Velcro, and I make sure that the wig is all the way down so that this is covering it. And then you bring the top part of the Velcro over as far as you need it to. Just strap it on. So now this is secure. It's not going anywhere, nowhere, not moving at all. Not even a little bit. Nope, not going anywhere. It don't care. It don't play fair because it's here. Right, okay. So now I'm gonna take it back down, since you were able to see that part. And so this is what it looks like. Once again, it is very, very full, and this is it dry. So if you do wet it and put a little product on it, it does make it, you know, of course, like it weighs it down a little bit, so to be more of like a here. But I like big hair, so I'm here for this. So from here, what I did the first time is brought over like a little part, zhuzh it out just a bit, making sure that there are no holes. Just like with any wig, like you need to make sure that you don't have any inside of the wig showing. And then you can wear it like this, just some big hair. But with this, so if I wear it down, then this is all I need. Like, that's it. This headband is fine. And this is what I was saying about, you don't necessarily need to have your edges done, because if you do want to push it back a little bit, the more natural your edges look, it blends in with the hair. But even if your edges are laid, it still blends in with the hair. So whatever you have time for. If you got time for it, lay them. If you don't, slay them. So from here, you can do a lot of different things. And I may create, let me know in the comments below if you want to see like all the different looks to do with this. But I do like a good toss over like that. Just how you just play around with it and kind of leave it. And it just looks kind of just tossed but natural. My normal go-to is either, like, you can do a half up, half down. That's very common. You can even do like a low ponytail and bring it right here, so where you have all this in the back. You can do so much with this hair, and it's very soft. It feels nice. Like, it's just incredible. But my go-to is just a really big bun. So what I do is flip my head over, and I take the ponytail holder and I come right up to the front. So I'm bringing all the hair, and then I just bun it, and then I tuck what needs to be tucked in so that it looks like a nice full bun. And you obviously like want to tuck in all the parts that may be sticking out. My bun is too high. I gotta sit down a little bit so you can see the top of my bun. So when I do an all up look like this, of course, the Velcro is going to be noticeable. So you can either just bobby pin this part down right here if you want to. But what I do is take a headband like this infinity headband. These are my favorite with the little knot right here because they're just bomb. And I think I got this from Target. And I literally just slip it on. And then I bring it up. So all you can see is my hair. And then this can spread out in the back. So you can have it higher, lower, wherever you want to go with it. I just tend to keep it like this. So it just looks like a little cute headband. And then you have a whole different look. Throw on your earrings and go. So when I do this on a normal day-to-day basis, it literally takes me all of a minute to do my hair. So what I like to do, because this is my go-to style unless I'm doing something different with it, I do want to like re-wet it, wash it, put some product in it and let it just wear it down, or like do some other styles with it. But when I'm on the go, like I'm a photographer, so when I'm on the go and I need to just hop up and go, or even like with my daughter, if we have to go somewhere really quick and I don't have time to really mess with my hair, I'll leave it just like this, literally. So I take this headband off, I undo the Velcro, I unhook the comb, and I leave it in this bun. So then when you're ready to go, all you have to do is throw it on, throw on your headband. And with this additional headband, sometimes I don't even use the combs because you don't have to. Like it's gonna be pretty secure. Unless you're gonna be doing a whole bunch of dancing and moving, then you wanna put in a comb because you don't wanna be embarrassed. But if I'm just going to the grocery store or something, I'll just do the Velcro, throw a little headband on with it, and go. You can even use a scarf as an additional headband, or you can make these, like I've seen people make these from like t-shirts or just regular fabric or whatever, but you can literally have a style and a bomb style in 1 minute. Literally 1 minute. Because whatever you do to the wig, you can leave it. You can leave it in because you don't have any leave out. So you're not having to worry about mixing your hair with any other hair. No. Whatever you do to it, you leave it, take it off, and then go. It's that simple. So simple. And that's all for this video today. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.